Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today I'm going to continue the one color makeup challenge once again, but this time doing green. I asked in the community tab if you wanted to see pink or green first, and y'all chose green, so that's what I'm going to do first. I also saw your recommendations in the comment section down below for blue and yellow, so I'll be trying to do those next if I can. Do I even have a yellow wig? I don't know. But anyways, let's get into this challenge right now. So first I'm going to reach for a white foundation. And this one is the Kryolan TV Paint Stick in 070. Now you may be wondering why exactly I'm reaching for a white foundation first. And the reason why is because I'm a shironuri artist. So in order to do this, I need to apply a thick white base to my face first. So I'm just very thickly applying that all over my face per usual. To set this in place, I'm taking a white setting powder and a really big powder puff, quite big, and very softly patting that all over my face. This will ensure all the cream makeup will not budge. Now it's time for the green makeup. First, I'm going to reach for the Kat Von D Mi Vida Loca palette. I'm going to use this eyeshadow right here called the Misfit, which is a sort of medium grassy green color. First, I'm going to feel for where my socket bone area is. Just press into your upper eyelid until you feel a bony protrusion. Then I'm just patting that on, right onto the socket bone area. Then taking more of that shadow and applying that all across my socket bone area. Going back to this palette, I'm going to reach for vinyl, which is a yellow-green color. Here, I'm going to apply this right in the inner corners of my eyes. This will really make your inner corners really pop out and add a little bit more contrast to this look. Then you want to reach for a green cream face paint. That was really hard to say in one go, but this one right here is from NYX. And I'm going to apply this right on my mobile lid, where I didn't apply any green shadow earlier. So just very softly packing that on. Then applying more of Misfit on top to make the shadow really pop out, and to ensure this cream face paint does not budge or move, because that would really suck. Now, going back to that palette once more, I'm going to reach for Lemmy. I'm applying this only in the outer corners of my eyes, to really deepen how the green looks in my eyes. Here I'm squinting to see where the fat bulges underneath my eyes. That sounds so gross to say, but that's what I'm doing here. And you want to apply a Misfit right underneath here. Then you want to draw a line coming out from this. and extending past your out to the outer corners of your eyes. You do want to make sure that this line looks very soft. You don't want any harsh lines here. Now I'm going to reach for the Subculture palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to reach for this color right here called Untamed, which is a neutral green color. So I'm just applying that over my eyebrows to just make them look a little bit more visible. I'm not being very precise here, I just want to make them look more visible. Then I'm going to reach for Destiny, which is an olive green color. I'm going to use this as an eyeliner. So taking that on a very small brush, very descriptive, Anne, I know, but it's just going to line my upper lash line with it. Now I don't have a green mascara. I don't have any colored mascara, so here's what I'm gonna do. First I'm going to reach for an Ico mascara, which is just black, and coating my upper and bottom lashes with it. Just really working that into the lashes. Then applying this false lashes from Rouge and Rogue in the style Cosmic Kitten, I think. These lashes are super pretty and one of my favorites since these are supposed to be like fake mink lashes, so it doesn't involve the killing of animals in order to look pretty, so. Anyways, after that, you want to reach for a green eyeliner. This one right here is from NYX Cosmetics. And for whatever reason, it smells really bad. I don't know why, but just thought I'd say that. But I'm just applying that in a very generous amount to my top and bottom lashes, and also all over my false lashes. So if you don't have any green mascara, no need to worry since this will work out just fine. Now I had the idea to cover my entire face in ferns and flowers. Currently here in Minnesota, everything looks super pretty and super lush, so I wanted to paint that onto my face. Yeah, so taking a green eyeshadow and a small brush, I'm first drawing ferns all over my face, along with flowers, just filling in my entire face with it. Then adding some more smaller flowers and some dots to really fill up any sparse areas of this design. For some more visual interest, I'm taking this green eyeliner once again and only going over some of these designs. This will really add some more visual interest by separating some of these designs and making some of them stand out more. Now I'm going to reach for Lumai, which is an iridescent pigment from Sugar Pill. It does have a very slight green to turquoise shift in its color, so that's why I'm using that for, to tie it in with the green scheme I have going on. So I'm just taking that and applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. Just really packing that on there. Then for my lips, I'm taking a green face paint because I do not have a green lipstick. Believe it or not, I do not. And applying that very softly onto my top and bottom lip. To set this in place, I'm taking Misfit. Afterwards, I'm going in with Lumai and applying a ton of it, because why not, onto the top of my top lip, right on the cupid's bow, and right in the center of my bottom lip. And this completes my all green makeup look. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Which color do you want to see next? Let me know in the comment section down below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Without further ado, I will see you all soon, and I hope you all are doing well. Bye.